Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower full size in OBS. So basically what you will have to do is simply open OBS, and after that you have to simply go to your settings, and then in here you have to simply go to video. And here what you have to do for simply lower the resolution, or if you want to simply go to output, and here you will have to scroll down. Here it says recording, and here you have to go to the recording quality. As you can see here, it says the large file size, but you will have to simply click on it and choose to have a lower file size. This is a way that you can simply lower file size in OBS. That's the easiest one. But another thing what you can do is simply lower the video bitrate. If you go here and enable advanced mode instead of simple, you are going to have the bitrate option for recording. So make sure to change the recording bitrate, not streaming, because you are not going to stream, and you have to simply lower the bitrate, video bitrate, to lower value, and basically this will lower the file size in OBS. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.